Did you know the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has some of the most unique cases ever made for a smartphone? From hidden kickstands to military-grade protection, today we're diving into the 35-plus best cases you can grab for your Galaxy Z Fold 6 on Amazon. All the links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's see which one takes the crown as the ultimate protector and style icon for your foldable wonder. On number 35, the BERFY upgraded magnetic case in gold brings style and practicality with its built-in S Pen holder and MagSafe compatibility. It offers full-body plating and hinge protection, plus a built-in screen protector for extra defense. Compared to the Spigen Slim Armor Pro, it stands out with its integrated S Pen slot and that luxurious golden finish, which really makes your phone pop. The all-in-one design is a major selling point, although it does add a bit of bulk, so keep that in mind if you like to keep it slim. It's a great option for those who want a blend of high-end aesthetics and comprehensive protection. Number 34 is the Vizvera RFID wallet case in Lake Blue, which is like your personal assistant, carrying cards, cash, and your S Pen all in one sleek package. The sliding camera cover is a nice privacy touch, protecting your lenses from scratches and keeping your digital life private. While it's bulkier than some minimalist cases, it definitely outpaces the BSNRM in its refined look and handy features. The built-in RFID blocking technology is a great bonus for protecting your credit card information. What do you think of having everything in one wallet-style case? On number 33, the Nillkin magnetic case is all about simplicity, with its frosted texture and precise cutouts, making it the perfect partner for your MagSafe gear. The frosted texture provides a great grip and a minimalist aesthetic that lets the phone's design shine through. It's lighter than the Tora's magnetic armor, but lacks a stand, so weigh that if you're a binge watcher. The powerful embedded magnets ensure a secure connection to all your MagSafe accessories, from chargers to car mounts. Still, its streamlined feel and low-profile design are hard to beat. Number 32 is the BERFY magnetic case in black, which adds privacy to the mix with a built-in privacy screen protector alongside a hidden kickstand and a built-in S Pen holder. It's a feature powerhouse compared to the Spigen Slim Armor Pro, which focuses more on ruggedness. The privacy screen is a great feature for anyone who uses their phone in public, protecting your screen from prying eyes. However, you'll need to watch out for the bulk. It's a trade-off worth considering for all the added features. On number 31, another from BERFY, this one also has a privacy screen and kickstand, plus a sliding camera cover for extra lens security. While it doesn't have the MagSafe magic of some of the other cases on this list, it's like a fortress for your phone and definitely a step up from the basic Spigen cases if privacy is your top priority. The sliding camera cover is great for peace of mind, and the robust hinge protection ensures your phone's most vulnerable part is well guarded. Number 30 is the TONGATE case, a multitasking wonder with an S Pen slot, privacy glass, hinge protection, a sliding camera cover, and even a belt clip for ultimate portability. It's more rugged than the Spigen Slim Armor Pro and offers a more comprehensive list of features for the adventurer. The trade-off is added bulk and a slight brightness loss on the privacy glass, but for those who need a heavy-duty, all-in-one solution, this case is an absolute champion. On number 29, the Maxdara case in black wins on sleekness with a slim profile, privacy glass, and wireless charging support. Compared to the Spigen, it's less rugged but nails that low-profile look, which is perfect if you value discretion and a case that doesn't feel like a brick in your pocket. The integrated privacy screen is a fantastic feature for added security without having to install a separate screen protector. It's a great option for a minimalist look with a touch of extra security. Number 28, the BXYJY case covers you from all angles with its 360 deg protection, hinge cover, kickstand, and a built-in screen protector. It's bulkier than the Spigen Slim Armor Pro, but edges it out with that built-in stand for Netflix marathons or video calls. The 360 deg coverage means your phone is fully enclosed and protected from drops and scratches from every direction, making it a very secure option for daily use. On number 27, the official Samsung S Pen case in gray keeps things slim and official with wireless charging support. It feels great in the hand and is designed to fit your phone perfectly. However, it lacks hinge protection, which is a serious miss compared to Spigen's robust armor. It also has had reported durability issues with the S Pen holder. This case is for the purist who wants a genuine Samsung experience but is willing to sacrifice some protection. Number 26 is Caka's case, which is perfect for those who want a thinner S Pen holder and an invisible kickstand. It offers solid hinge protection without weighing you down, striking a perfect balance between form and function. It's not as robust as the Spigen, but hits the sweet spot between slim and safe. The invisible kickstand is a clever design that folds flat when not in use, maintaining a sleek profile while still providing a handy stand for media viewing. On number 25, Spigen's Slim Armor Pro is the heavy hitter here with its dual-layer construction and a semi-auto hinge cover that makes folding buttery smooth too. This case provides a serious level of protection and is a go-to for those who want a rugged, no-compromise case from a well-known brand. It's pricier and bulkier than some on this list, but for robust, all-around protection, it's an absolute beast. Number 24 is the Maxdara magnetic case, which has hinge protection and a MagSafe compatible translucent finish. The translucent back lets you show off your phone's color while still keeping it protected. The MagSafe compatibility is a huge plus for using all your favorite magnetic accessories. It's not as rugged as the Spigen, but it's a wallet-friendly choice if you love MagSafe and want a more modern look. On number 23, Spigen's Tough Armor Pro P cranks up the protection with a military-grade build and a unique hinge kickstand combo. The kickstand is a standout feature, offering multiple viewing angles. While the satisfying click noise it makes may bug some, the kickstand's versatility is a solid plus compared to the Slim Armor Pro. This case is built for serious protection and is a great option for those who need a rugged stand for their phone. Number 22 is Samsung's Clear Case, which keeps it ultra slim and grippy with a transparent design that shows off your phone. The case is comfortable to hold and provides basic scratch protection, but it lacks hinge protection, a serious miss compared to the Spigen Slim Armor's ruggedness. This case is for minimalists only, who don't mind sacrificing some protection for a sleek, lightweight feel. On number 21, the Btscase magnetic case in rose gold fuses style and protection with MagSafe compatibility and a sliding camera cover. It's a stylish case that provides a great level of protection for daily use. While it's not as rugged as the Spigen, it definitely scores points on chic design and functionality. The sliding camera cover is a nice bonus for protecting your lenses and your privacy. Number 20 is the Ruky Case, which blends style and security with a built-in privacy screen, S Pen holder, and kickstand while staying slim. This case is a fantastic all-in-one solution that provides a lot of features without adding a ton of bulk. It's less rugged than Spigen's armor, but is definitely more discreet and stylish, making it a great choice for those who want a functional yet elegant case. On number 19, the VEGO case with its spring-loaded hinge protection and privacy glass is a solid alternative to the MOBOSI. The spring-loaded hinge cover makes opening and closing your phone a smooth experience, and the privacy glass adds an extra layer of security. Standing out for its affordability and a well-balanced feature set, this case offers a great value for the features you get. Number 18 is the TONGATE magnetic case, the Swiss Army knife of cases with an S Pen slot, privacy screen, MagSafe, and a belt clip. This case is for those who want to be prepared for anything. It's bulkier than Spigen's, but it packs everything you need in one, making it a highly functional and versatile option. The built-in privacy screen and MagSafe compatibility are a great combo. On number 17, VEGO's carbon fiber black case is all about a premium feel with its PU leather finish, privacy glass, and hinge protection, offering a perfect blend of style and security for those who want both. The carbon fiber texture gives it a high-end look, and the robust hinge protection ensures your phone is safe. It's a great option for those who want a premium case without the premium price tag. Number 16, another from VEGO, adds a 360 demagnetic kickstand and a belt clip, beating the Spigen on versatility, though at the cost of a little more bulk. The 360 rotating kickstand is a truly unique feature that allows you to prop your phone up at any angle, making it perfect for both work and play. This case is for those who prioritize functionality and versatility above all else. On number 15, the SUPCASE UB Pro Mag is a rugged fortress with a built-in screen protector, hinge protection, MagSafe, and an S Pen slot. This case is the ultimate combo for all-day security, offering military-grade protection and a highly functional package. The MagSafe compatibility is a great bonus, allowing you to use all your favorite magnetic accessories. This case is for those who need the best possible protection for their device. Number 14 is Miimall's Case, which is slim but smart, featuring privacy glass, magnetic hinge protection, and an adjustable kickstand for those Zoom calls or Netflix binges. The magnetic hinge protection is a great feature, providing a strong defense for the hinge. The adjustable kickstand is a bonus for hands-free use. This case is for those who want a sleek design with a lot of smart features built in. On number 13, MOBOSI's military-grade case has everything: privacy glass, hinge protection, an S Pen holder, and a rotating ring stand. It's not the slimmest case on this list, but if you want it all, it delivers. The rotating ring stand is a unique feature that doubles as a secure grip, and the S Pen holder is a must-have for productivity. This case is a perfect all-in-one solution for the power user. Number 12, i-Blason Cosmo's Clear Case is sleek with a MagSafe stand, hinge protection, and S Pen slot. It's like the Spigen, but with more personality and a friendlier price tag. The clear design lets you show off your phone's natural color, while the hinge protection and S Pen slot provide all the functionality you need. It's a great choice for those who want style, functionality, and protection in one. On number 11, the TONGATE wallet case is the multitasker's dream. It comes with a privacy screen, sliding camera cover, card holder, S Pen slot, and even a kickstand. This is the ultimate all-in-one case for those who want to replace their wallet with their phone. It's thick, but the convenience and functionality it offers are well worth it. It's a great choice for those who are always on the go. Number 10, KEZiHOME's leather wallet case oozes class with its premium feel, RFID blocking technology, and card slots. This case is a stylish and secure way to carry your essentials. However, there's no stylist lovers might lean towards a Spigen instead. The RFID blocking technology is a great feature for protecting your credit card information from digital theft. On number 9, BSNRM's rugged wallet case packs a sliding camera cover, hinge protection, and an S Pen slot. It's chunkier than the Spigen, but the card security is unbeatable thanks to its secure wallet design. The sliding camera cover and hinge protection ensure your phone is safe from every angle. This is a great choice for those who need a rugged wallet case with a lot of features. Number 8, the SUPCASE UB Pro goes full battle mode with military-grade drop protection, a hinged cover, and a built-in stand 3. This case is an easy pick if you need total coverage and are prone to dropping your phone. The built-in stand is a great feature for media consumption, and the rugged design ensures your phone is safe from even the toughest falls. On number 7, LeYi's case nails the basics with MagSafe, 2 tempered glass protectors, and a clean design. Great for everyday use if you don't mind skipping hinge coverage. The MagSafe compatibility is a huge plus, and the 2 tempered glass protectors are a great value. This case is for those who want a simple, reliable case with some modern features. Number 6, Ghostek's Covert Clear Case offers military-grade protection in a transparent shell plus a built-in kickstand, a perfect blend of style and safety in one 4. The clear design lets you show off your phone's color, while the rugged construction keeps it safe from drops and bumps. The kickstand is a great bonus for hands-free viewing. On number 5, the FNTCASE goes all in with military-grade drop protection, a hinge cover, S Pen slot, and a kickstand. It's chunky, but it's a fortress in your pocket. This case is built for durability and functionality, and the S Pen slot and kickstand are great features for a power user. It's the perfect case for those who demand the best possible protection for their phone. Number 4, FNTCASE's wallet-style cover is your phone and wallet combined. It features a zipper pouch, card slots, and an S Pen slot, all on a premium PU leather finish. This case is perfect for those who want to consolidate their belongings into one stylish package. The zipper pouch is a great feature for keeping cash and coins secure. On number 3, Given's Marble Case is gorgeous and tough with military-grade protection, an S Pen slot, and a sliding camera cover. Form meets function in a swirl of color. The unique marble design is a real head-turner, and the robust protection ensures your phone is safe. This is a great choice for those who want to add a touch of personality to their phone without sacrificing protection. Number 2, Kayak's Slim Hinge Case is sleek and adds a kickstand, but might be a step down in durability compared to heavy hitters like Spigen. The slim design and integrated kickstand make it a great choice for those who want a case that is both functional and portable. It's a great option for everyday use, but might not be the best choice for those who are prone to dropping their phone. Finally, number 1, the Boulain Blossom Case is lightweight, clear, and cute with a floral touch, perfect for those who want to keep it light and lovely, though not for the clumsy among us. This case is all about style and personality, and the clear design lets you show off your phone while the floral pattern adds a touch of elegance. It's a great choice for those who want a case that is both beautiful and functional. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate lineup of the best Galaxy Z Fold 6 cases. All the links are in the description below, so go check them out. For our overall winner, we're giving the crown to the SUPCASE UB Pro Mag for its unbeatable mix of rugged military-grade protection, MagSafe, S-Pen slot, and foldable stand. It's truly the best of all worlds. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.